Hi, welcome to class. Today we are covering the introduction to data science and generative AI. In this lesson, we will explore what data science is, how it works, and how it evolves into the modern generative AI lifecycle. So, what is data science? It is the foundational field of extracting knowledge and hidden patterns from raw, noisy data, transforming simple numbers into actionable intelligence for real-world applications. How did we get to generative AI? Think of it as an evolutionary ladder. Data science provides the raw data foundation. Machine learning discovers the rules. Deep learning builds neural networks. And generative AI steps in to create brand new text, images, and code. Think AI is just ChatGPT. Think again. Nearly every smart application you use today starts with one foundational science. In the next few minutes, we will unlock the complete AI ecosystem and show you how it all fits together. Think of it as nested layers. Data science is the broad foundation. Inside it sits artificial intelligence. Inside AI is machine learning. Inside ML is deep learning. Then NLP, transformers, large language models, and finally generative AI at the absolute top. Let's address the biggest source of confusion. Are AI and data science the same thing? No. Data science is the field that extracts insights from data, while AI uses those insights to automate smart decisions. So, what is data science? It is the process of collecting raw, messy data, extracting meaningful patterns, and turning those insights into business actions. It transforms raw numbers into direct intelligence. Imagine you own a supermarket. Looking at millions of transactions does not help you. But data science reveals that people buy ice cream on weekends, umbrellas before rain, and chips with soda. That is value. Many people think data science is just about writing code. That is a myth. True data science sits at the absolute intersection of three disciplines: computer science, mathematics and statistics, and business domain knowledge. One of the most important branches of AI is machine learning, where computers learn patterns directly from data. It includes supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Within machine learning is deep learning, which uses multi-layer artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain to process inputs through hidden layers and solve highly complex representations. But how does machine learning actually work? We start with training data to train the ML algorithm. Once we have a model, we feed it input data to make predictions. If the accuracy check is acceptable, we get a successful model that is ready for new input data. For processing sequence data, researchers created the transformer architecture, which takes an input sentence, passes it through embeddings and decoders, and outputs translated text, laying the path for large language models. Here is another key question. How does machine learning differ from traditional programming? In traditional coding, humans write the rules. In machine learning, computers discover the rules directly from data. So, what is the difference between an LLM and generative AI? Think of the LLM as the engine, and generative AI as the final vehicle that creates new text, images, and artwork. Together, this stack of technologies powers the systems you use daily: movie recommendations on Netflix, fraud alerts from your bank, autonomous cars, and coding assistants. Every data science project follows a structured life cycle. We start with business understanding, collect the files, clean the messy records, explore the statistics, train the machine learning models, and visualize the results. Behind every successful AI application is a collaborative team. Data engineers clean and compile the data. Data scientists build the predictive models, and business analysts turn those models into dashboards. Data science is the foundation of modern artificial intelligence. If you want to master this world, subscribe now. Daily we upload real-world breakdowns to help you learn. Start today.